So we want to introduce you to the GL on the City.
The City is a great way for the GL to stay connected.
It really is, and it's all about community.
The City is different from Facebook. It allows you to keep up with the GL's current events, classes, groups, or even if you would like to volunteer at the GL, the City is a great way to do that.
It really is, and it's also important for you to know that all of your information is absolutely secure. This is going to be our main way for information to flow to and from one another. It's a great way to do that. It's completely secure, and you have the opportunity to set up your very own profile and keep it updated as you see fit. You see, the main way to do this and our goal is to do more than just throw status updates out there. You can also throw prayer requests up that are going to be seen 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It gives you the opportunity to get involved and to really make a difference.
If you'd like more information on the City, please visit our information station that we have in the back.